Never sleep with your pets, do not risk your life. Here's why. If you own a pet, then you probably share your living room, your furniture, all your stuff, including your bedroom with it, right? But, you should avoid sleeping with your pet because this can be really dangerous for you and your health. In this video we are going to show you why you need to stop sleeping with your pet and why is this dangerous for you. Yes, pets are always at your side sharing and accompanying you at all times. And this is probably the main reason why you love your pet so much. You completely forget that they are animals to the extent that you allow them to adopt bad habits. First of all, parasites are more common than you think, so that's why it is extremely important that you never forget deworming your pet, so that you can prevent parasites from multiplying inside your pet. Note, this can be life-threatening when they're small. In order to prevent them and make their health better, you should also vaccinate them. The medical experts warn that most parasites can be transmitted to humans. The risk of developing a disease can be fatal and even causing death. The most important thing is to avoid and prevent any type of contamination. Owning a pet has many responsibilities, such as cleaning waste, feed them, bathe them, and above all give a lot of love. However, keep in mind that it does not end there. A vet will explain you the appropriate scheme and apply the corresponding vaccines. This is why you should remember that the vet is like a pediatrician. You should take your pet to the vet regularly, not only when your pet is sick. Try to keep strict control so that your pet is healthy and strong. Cats and dogs should undergo deworming every 4 months. Within the first 6 months they should be vaccinated. You shouldn't miss any of the vaccines, because it is very important to immunize your pets annually. Discuss any other species with your vet. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.